Before obviously she came here, and she has totally changed. I think the college changed her, or she changed the college. I had no idea, you know.
I've definitely seen him grow to be more responsible and accountable more than anything else. To be a pampered younger sibling to now being called one of the most hardworking people on campus, it's definitely something that makes us wonder what happened, but it was definitely ISH that happened to him.
Happy, and I'm glad that he has graduated today, and I'm so happy to show you his certificate.
I think ISH, entering into ISH was the starting step for her to become from a shy and timid girl to a confident girl who's now taking on her wings. So what I feel is that scholarship here, or maybe getting into the institute itself, is the scholarship, I think.
They found themselves, they discovered themselves,
yes.
Identified and understood their own capabilities, and probably ISH was the best ground for them to nurture themselves.